For decades, Toyota has built a reputation as the undisputed leader in hybrid technology. Ever since the Toyota Prius reshaped the automotive landscape, the brand positioned itself as the company that understands efficiency better than anyone else. But recently, something has changed. Not dramatically, not loudly, but quietly and unmistakably, Toyota has begun acknowledging the limitations of its widely used 2.5-liter hybrid system. This isn't a scandal. It's not a failure. It's something more important. A rare moment of transparency. A recognition that even the most refined hybrid systems come with trade. And if you're a buyer, enthusiast, or someone watching the future of electrification, this shift matters. Toyota's 2.5L hybrid system sits at the core of its modern vehicles. You'll find it in models like the Toyota Camry Hybrid, Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, and Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The formula is simple. A. Naturally aspirated 2.5L four-cylinder engine. Electric motors, a battery pack, an electronic continuously variable transmission ECVT on paper. It's nearly perfect, excellent fuel economy, smooth driving, low emissions, and strong reliability. And most importantly, it just works. No charging, no complicated ownership experience, just efficiency. That simplicity is a huge part of Toyota's success. But beneath that success lies an important truth. The system isn't without compromise. Toyota has always prioritized efficiency, and that focus brings unavoidable sacrifices. One, performance versus efficiency. The 2.5 hybrid system is tuned for fuel savings, not excitement. Yes, the horsepower numbers look decent, but in real-world driving, acceleration can feel delayed. Power delivery isn't always immediate. Highway passing can feel underwhelming compared to turbocharged engines, which deliver instant torque. The hybrid can feel less responsive. Toyota engineers understand this. Pushing efficiency to the limit means giving up some performance. 2. The ECVT experience. Toyota's ECVT is incredibly durable, arguably one of the most reliable transmission systems ever built. But it comes with a familiar drawback. The rubber band effect. Engine revs rise before the car accelerates. The driving feel can seem disconnected. There are no traditional gear shifts. Toyota has refined this over time, even simulating gear changes, but the core behavior remains. It's a deliberate compromise, reliability and efficiency over driving excitement. 3. Weight and complexity. Hybrid systems are more complex than traditional gasoline engines. The 2.5 hybrid includes electric motors, power control units, battery systems, cooling components. All of this adds weight, and that weight affects handling, braking, tire, where in larger vehicles like SUVs, these effects become more noticeable. Toyota hybrids are known for being incredibly reliable, and that reputation still holds. But no system is immune to long-term realities. Battery degradation. Hybrid batteries are built to last, but they do degrade over time. Factors like heat, driving habits, and usage patterns all play a role. Replacement is rare, but when needed, it can be costly. Thermal management. Hybrid systems generate heat, and managing that heat is critical. Over time, cooling systems can wear, and maintaining optimal temperatures becomes more complex than in traditional engines. Rising expectations. Today's drivers expect 10 plus years of trouble-free ownership, minimal performance loss, low maintenance, indefinite. Toyota comes close, but no hybrid system can completely escape wear and tear. One of the biggest realities buyers face is the gap between official fuel economy and real-world results. City driving. This is where hybrids shine. Regenerative braking recovers energy. Electric motors handle low-speed driving efficiently. Highway driving. The advantage shrinks. The gasoline engine does most of the work. Battery assistance is limited. The result: less dramatic fuel savings on long highway trips. Driving style matters. Smooth, conservative driving maximizes efficiency. Aggressive driving, it quickly reduces fuel economy. In other words, the system rewards calm drivers, not aggressive ones. This conversation matters because of timing. The industry is rapidly moving toward electric vehicles. Toyota has taken a cautious approach, continuing to refine hybrids instead of going fully electric, but even they are signaling a shift. Hybrids are no longer the end goal, they're a transition. For years, Toyota dominated hybrid technology. Now, competitors offer more powerful hybrids. Plug-in hybrids provide longer electric-only range, EVs deliver instant torque and silent performance. The 2.5 hybrid system is no longer competing on efficiency alone. It must now compete on performance, refinement, and future relevance. This isn't a warning to avoid hybrids. It's a reality check. It's a great choice if you prioritize reliability, drive mostly in the city, want consistent fuel efficiency, prefer proven technology. You may want to reconsider if you expect sporty performance drive mostly on highways. Want cutting-edge of e-like features, prefer a more engaging driving experience. The bottom line, Toyota's 2.5L hybrid system is still one of the best engineered powertrains available today. That hasn't changed. What has changed is the conversation around it. This isn't about failure eats, about honesty. Efficiency comes before excitement. Reliability comes before innovation. Practicality comes before performance. And in today's evolving automotive world, those trade-offs matter more than ever. If you understand what this system is and what it isn't, it remains an excellent choice. But if you expect it to be something else, you'll be disappointed. And that's the real message. Toyota is finally starting to acknowledge